I asked a fleet manager with 20 years of experience managing over 200 Silverados, which years do you buy for the fleet? Out of 15 years available, how many are approved? Only 3 years, the only ones that make financial sense. One of these 3 could be your Silverado. Subscribe. Let's find out if you have a fleet-approved one. This fleet manager works with data, not opinion. 20 years managing commercial fleets, over 200 Silverados. Each truck averages 50,000 miles per year, heavy commercial work. When buying used Silverados, they analyze everything. Maintenance cost, downtime, repair costs, resale value. Only 3 years consistently pass the test. These 3 years save the company between $3,000 and $5,000 per truck over 5 years. 3 fleet managers at different companies told me the same 3 years. This is pure mathematics. If your Silverado is one of these 3, comment your year and mileage now. First year, 2011. 2011 is our gold standard. When we find one with under 90,000 miles, we buy without thinking twice. Why? The fleet numbers prove it. His company tracks every dollar spent on each truck. 2011 has the lowest total cost of ownership of any GMT900 year they've tested. Over 5 years, a 2011 costs $4,300 less in maintenance than a 2007 or 2008. 5.3 engine, we've tested 18 trucks, averaged 200,000 miles before any significant engine work. 6-speed transmission, average 175,000 before major service. He showed me spreadsheets. Unexpected breakdown rate on 2011, 2.3%. Anything below 5% is exceptional. 2.3 is nearly perfect. If you have a 2011, you have what professional fleets choose when their money is on the line. Second year, 2013. 2013 is the year we try to buy as many as possible. Most reliable GMT900 that exists. It's the last GMT900 year. Everything good about 2011 refined 2 more years. We bought 10 used 2013s in 2018, average 75,000 miles each. 7 years later, all 10 still an active fleet, average now 180,000 miles. Unscheduled maintenance cost over 5 years, $1,200 per truck. $1,200 over 5 years of commercial use is nothing. For comparison, average 2007, $4,800. 2013 saves $3,600 per truck, times 10 trucks, $36,000 saved. Fleets follow pure math, and the math says 2013. Third year, 2009. 2009, isn't it too old for fleet? He smiled. That's exactly why it's opportunity. Everyone underestimates it. We buy cheap and run forever. His fleet has 6 2009s. We paid $12,000 to $15,000 for a 2009 with 90,000 miles. Same 2011, $18,000 to $20,000. $6,000 difference at purchase. In 6 years, maintenance on 2009 was only $700 more per truck than 2011. $700 more in maintenance, but $6,000 cheaper? Net savings, $5,300. 5.3 in 2009 already received all major updates. 6-speed was already mature, almost as reliable as 2011, but costs much less. Fleets understand something consumers don't: real value versus perception. 3 years fleets approve: 2009, 2011, 2013. If yours is one of these, you have a truck that passed the hardest test: commercial fleet financial analysis. These make mathematical sense. Take care of it. Fleets keep these running 300, 400,000 miles because it's smart business. Comment your year and mileage. I'll tell you if you have a fleet-approved one. Promise. 3 fleet managers, 60 years combined experience, millions of dollars in data. If this helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more real data-based analysis. Friday, Shop Owner reveals the 3 years that rarely come back for repair. You might have a fleet-approved truck and not even know it. Now you know. See you Friday, Silverado family.